All right, every once in a while, a new AI tool comes along that doesn't just raise the bar, it completely creates a new one. Today, we're looking at a tool that might just be the most significant open source AI video model we have ever seen. It's called Wan 2.2, and as we go through this, you'll see exactly why it is causing such a massive stir in the AI community. Right here on their main page, the first thing they want you to see is what they call cinematic vision control. This isn't just about simple text to video, they are giving creators the tools of a film director. Let's look at this example with the train. You can see the incredible control over light, shadow, and atmosphere. It's not just a generated clip, it's a mood, a feeling. That's a huge step forward. Now, as we scroll down, they highlight sweeping motion. Look at the example with the dancers. The movement is fluid, it's complex, and it's coherent. This has always been a major challenge for AI video. Next to it, precise prompt following. This is absolutely key. The model's ability to actually understand and create what you asked for is what separates the good models from the great ones. And this section here is the Wan Box project. This appears to be their all-in-one creation interface. It seems to handle everything from generating images to editing video. And just looking at this gallery of examples gives you an idea of the sheer variety this thing is capable of, from hyper photorealism to fantasy and animation styles. It looks like this tool can handle just about any aesthetic you can imagine. But this, right here, is what truly makes Wan 2.2 a complete game changer. It is 100% open source. They're incredibly transparent about the technology behind it. It's built on a mixture of experts architecture, and it's been trained on a significantly larger data set than its previous version. And when they compare it to the SOTAs, the state-of-the-art models, you can see from this performance chart that Wan 2.2 is competing directly with the best at the highest level in aesthetic quality, camera control, and object accuracy. In their promo video, they break down this control even further. Look here, you can adjust lighting intensity, the actual lighting angle, and even the specific light source, changing a scene from firelight to moonlight with a click. They show a full time switch, transforming a scene from dawn to sunset to night. You get precise camera angle control, and even the shot size, going from an extreme long shot all the way to a detailed close-up. This is truly professional level control, and they are making it available to everyone. So, where can you get your hands on this? As we can see here, the model is hosted on Hugging Face. For those who might not know, this is a massive hub for the open source AI community. Having Wan 2.2 here is a very big deal. The model card gives us all the key details we need. Again, highlighting that mixture of experts architecture, the focus on cinematic aesthetics, and the complex motion generation. As we scroll down through the Hugging Face page, you can see they provide all the technical details and all the files you would need to actually run this model yourself. But what if you're not a developer? Well, here is the Wan.video playground. This lets you test the model's capabilities directly in your browser. Let's explore this image to video example. The input image is this beautiful high quality drone shot of some coastal cliffs at sunset. It's a static image. Now let's look at the output video it generated. The model not only brought the image to life, but it added natural, believable motion to the waves crashing on the rocks and even included a subtle, slow camera pan to the left. The motion is just seamless. It's incredibly impressive. Now, for the more technical folks watching, the entire project is also available on GitHub. This is where you can access all of the source code, the assets, and the documentation. You can see all the files right here, the README, the license, the requirements. They've laid everything out for you, from the installation instructions to the commands for running text to video generation on a single GPU. This level of transparency is what the community needs. The models are also available on a platform called Model Scope. And for the advanced users out there, there are already comfy UI examples and workflows available for Wan 2.2. This is huge. This page shows you exactly which files you need to download and how to set them up. This means you can integrate Wan 2.2 directly into your own custom comfy UI workflow for both text to video and image to video projects. Looking at these final demo shots, a polar bear driving a jeep through an active volcano, this incredible shot of skiers carving through pristine powder, it's clear that we are entering a brand new era of AI video. Wan 2.2 isn't just a simple update, it's a statement to the entire industry. It proves that open source models can and will compete with the best closed source giants out there. The quality of the video, the depth of user control, and the fact that it is completely free makes this one of the most exciting AI releases of the entire year. What do you think of Wan 2.2? Is this the open source Sora competitor we've all been waiting for? Let me know what you think down in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want to stay on top of the latest breakthroughs in AI, make sure you subscribe to Mike's AI Forge for more. Thanks for watching.